Hello everyone, my name is Octavia Yambelia from English Literature C. In this presentation, I will analyze William Wordsworth's poem, Lines Written in Early Spring. I will discuss the poem's genre, dominant tone, and analyze it using a biographical approach. William Wordsworth was one of the major poets of the Romantic period. He often wrote about nature, human emotions, and the relationship between humans and the natural world. Wordsworth believed that nature has moral and spiritual value. The poem describes the beauty and harmony of nature while reflecting on the condition of humanity. I chose this poem because it delivers a deep message through simple language. I was especially interested in the contrast between peaceful nature and troubled humanity. Even today, the poem remains relevant because it encourages people to reflect on their relationship with nature and with other human beings. The genre of this poem is lyric poetry. Lyric poetry focuses on expressing personal emotions, thoughts, and reflections rather than telling a complete story. This poem is categorized as a lyric poem because the speaker expresses his personal feelings about nature and humanity. This can be seen in the line, "And much it grieved my heart to think what man has made of man." This line clearly expresses the speaker's emotional reflections and personal feelings. The dominant tone of the poem is melancholy. Throughout the poem, the speaker admires the beauty of nature, but at the same time, he felt sadness when thinking about humanity. This can be seen in the lines, "In that sweet mood when pleasant thoughts bring sad thoughts to the mind." These lines show that even peaceful thoughts can lead the speakers to sadness. Another important line is, "What man has made of man." This line expresses disappointment and concern about human behavior. Because of this feeling, sadness, and reflections, the dominant tone of the poem is melancholy. This poem can be analyzed using the biographical approach because William Wordsworth's life and beliefs strongly influenced his writing. Wordsworth spent much of his life surrounded by natural landscapes of England. This experience shaped his belief that nature has moral and spiritual value and can guide human emotions. This influence can clearly be seen in the poem. Nature is presented as peaceful, joyful, and harmonious. In contrast, humanity is presented as a troubled and disconnected from that harmony. Through this contrast, Wordsworth suggests that humans can learn important lessons from nature. So the conclusion, Lines Written in Early Spring, is a lyric poem that expresses personal reflections of nature and humanity. The dominant tone of the poem is melancholy because the speaker feels sadness about the condition of humanity. Using biographical approach, we can understand how William Wordsworth's experience and beliefs influenced the poem. Overall, the poem reminds readers to appreciate nature and reflect on human behavior. I think that's all. Thank you.